Hi everyone, the Farmista here. I just wanted to show off some decorations that I made for my daughter's birthday, which was over a month ago, but things have just gotten busy around here. So this is a little garland I made to decorate this little felt cacti that I cut out, and then I made some little pink pom-poms to coordinate with her theme, and then I also made this pinata, and this is actually made out of a cereal box, so it's recycled, or at least part of it is. And I did find a tutorial that I kind of loosely followed on YouTube, so I'll try to remember to leave a link for that. And then also, now this just came out of the wash, so it's not ironed. I made this dress for her to wear for her birthday. It really needs to be ironed, but you get the idea of it. And this is my own pattern that I drafted myself. That's not a pattern I got online or anything. And then not for her birthday, but just related to her love of plants and cacti. I did make her this floor poof, and that has all of her stuffed animals in it. So it just has a drawstring around the top, and then all of her different stuffies are in there, and it cinches shut. And she really likes that. She'll flop down on it and sit there by her little shelf and play on it. So I think that is pretty much everything. I did make a little Sheriff Callie Amigurumi doll for her that I will put up a clip of as well. Hi again. So this is the little Sheriff Callie Amigurumi that I made for my daughter for her birthday. All of her little clothing pieces come off: the boots, the pants, the belt is crocheted into the pants, her little vest, her handkerchief, and her hat all come off. I did have to add this little strap onto the hat afterwards, just because it kept falling off, which was really frustrating for my 3-year-old. Here's the back. She has a cute little tail, and it doesn't have anything inside, but it is somewhat posable. So there's that. I'll take her hat off so that you can see her little calico markings. And the Amigurumi cat is based off of the pattern by Grace and Yarn, and I'll try to remember to leave a link to the pattern down below. I did something different for the face. There's like a little separate nose piece that she had, which just didn't look right for the doll to be Callie. And then I did the ears different too, because again, they just needed different shaped ears to look like Sheriff Callie. And Sheriff Callie is it was on Disney Junior. It's been discontinued for many years, but it's on Disney Plus now. So my 3-year-old gets to enjoy Sheriff Callie because she loves everything to do with horses and cacti and plants and all kinds of stuff. But Sheriff Callie, of course, is because she loves horses, so she loves to watch Sheriff Callie. So here is the little Callie doll that I made for her. And then I will try to remember to put in pictures of the little cupcake toppers that I made as well. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.